everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing the tofu series, and today we're going to make a vegan egg salad. Now listen, here's the deal. I didn't come up with this idea. There have been tofu egg salads all over the internet, but there is something special and different about mine in the, like, I don't know, the creamy sauce that the egg salad is in, you know? So you'll have to watch the video to find out what we do that's a little different, a little extra, but it's not like every other vegan egg salad on the internet, okay? So give it a little chance, give it a little try. The tofu works perfectly here. We're gonna use a medium firm or a firm tofu, and it really mimics that like egg texture. And honestly, I gave some to my mom to try, and she was like, you know, she's like, it's very egg salad-esque. She's like, and especially for you, like, cause I haven't had egg salad in like 5 or 6 years, obviously now. So it's good. And I have to tell you guys a funny story really quickly. Before I went vegan, when I was in college, I was obsessed with egg salad, okay? I had a moment of time where I ate egg salad many times a day. Like, I'm not even kidding, a day. Like, it was twice a day for breakfast and lunch, sometimes dinner. I was obsessed with egg salad, okay? I don't know what was wrong with me, but I loved it. So if I approve of this egg salad, this vegan egg salad, being an egg salad ex-connoisseur or whatever you want to call it, then I think you all really enjoy it. So if you haven't seen the other recipes in our tofu series, make sure to check them out. I'm trying to give you guys 5 different recipes showing the versatility of tofu, different ways to use it, and ways that I think that even if you're not like a big tofu fan or you're skeptical, you'll still enjoy it. As always, the full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. All the ingredients are written out in the description box down below as well, and there are links for my cookbook, podcast, social media, everything else that you want to know. The sky is like so dark outside, and I feel like it's very dark in here. I'm so sorry. So with all that being said, let's go make some vegan egg salad. So for this recipe, we're using firm tofu. So as you can see, it's like a medium firmness. You can use medium firm or firm, and we're going to use the whole package. So just open that up. Then we are going to roughly cut the tofu into a bunch of little pieces. I just started it by slicing it in crosswise cuts, and then I just cut those into tiny little pieces. This doesn't have to be specific. This is just to mimic the egg white that would be in the egg salad. So just cut it into these bite-sized pieces. Then I'm just going to put those all in a dish. We're going to set them aside for a minute while we work on the, I don't know, I guess what would be the sauce, the dressing? I don't even know what to call it, but we're going to take chickpeas, some vegan mayo. We're going to add in some nutritional yeast, which is going to give it some umami. We're going to add in the paprika and some turmeric for yellow color. And I added in a little bit of water to start. We're going to add in that whole quarter cup. Pop our top on the blender and just start to blend it up until it's nice and smooth. I wanted to use chickpeas in here because I love chickpeas, but I don't know, they kind of have an eggy-ish feel to me. And I thought they might be good to like help make this like I said, this dressing sauce a little bit more better. I don't know, but I did like it. So we're going to add the tofu into a big bowl, and then we're just going to add that dressing on there. Just blend this until it is completely smooth, okay? You want this to be so smooth. You don't want any texture or grittiness or anything, and just mix it up. And please just don't even try and tell me that doesn't look like egg salad. It looks exactly like egg salad. Then we're going to add in some salt, black pepper to taste, give it a mix. You can add in mustard if you like. I don't really like mustard that much, so I didn't want to use it. I'm going to add in some chopped up chives. You could use scallions. It's just, again, what you like. And that's pretty much it. This is done. You could add in more vegan mayo if you like, if you want it to be creamier, but it was very good, and I really liked it with the chickpeas in there. So now let's make a little sandwich. So I'm just taking my bread. I'm gonna add on 2 pieces of butter lettuce and just some nice big scoops of this egg salad, or the vegan egg salad, our fake egg salad. Add some black pepper, salt, and paprika on top, and you are done. Now you have this delicious vegan egg salad. You can use it in wraps, you can use it on a salad, you can make sandwiches with it, you can do whatever you want with it. And I think it's really tasty and delicious, and I love having stuff like this in the fridge for busy days, so I can just kind of like have a quick lunch or something, or even for breakfast, scoop it up with some crackers. Of course, we have to have pickles. I love pickles. You need pickles with your sandwiches. So this was just so good, and I'm really excited. I think you guys will really enjoy it if you give it a shot. All right, everyone, and that was our delicious vegan egg salad. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try it, let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down below, leave a comment on the blog, tag me on Instagram, make a picture of it. I love feedback. I love to see back from you guys. And yeah, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you're enjoying the tofu series. If you are, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff helps channel out, helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes. Literally, the clouds are coming in and it's just getting darker by the second. So I'm going to take that as my cue to go. Thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.